All right. Sir, may I know your name?
Afroz Sayyed.
Afroz Sayir.
Yes, you can call me Afroz.
Afroz, okay. So you're studying floristry here in EEC.
Yes, yes. He's
Okay.
teaching me. He's my
Okay.
teacher.
So what is the reason why do you have to study floristry?
Actually, I do have a shop of my
You're a
dad.
business owner.
No, my dad is the owner.
Okay.
So I'm thinking of working there. Maybe handling the business and maybe becoming a florist too. So
Okay.
that's the main reason.
Yeah, we know that florist business is really good here in UAE. Okay, so how was the experience so far? How many weeks are you studying now?
It's my third session, maybe third week. I attended last 2 classes. It was really good. He teach me very well, and the bouquets were nice too. He made it look really easy.
Okay, so how was the experience? I mean, the way of teaching, giving you like practical activities like this. How was the experience?
Experience was really good. Found it difficult in the start, but as I said, he made it look really easy. He helped me in every minute. He just approached what you are doing. Let me see how to do it, and it was really good. Amazing experience.
Yeah, and the flower smells really good. Okay, to our viewers, can you like invite them? Why do they have to study floristry here in EEC?
Floristry here in UAE, it's a really blooming business. Maybe even if you start with a shop, it will go in Dubai. You know how they say business grows in Dubai.
But what is your background right now? I mean, aside from you learning this and maybe helping your
Actually,
business.
currently I'm studying in a degree course. I'm studying a degree course, and recently we've started this. Has been very long. So yeah, let's see. I'm studying and getting into this too.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, may I know your name, madam?
My name is Asma.
Asma. Okay, so this is your design today. But how many weeks are you studying here in
This
EEC?
is my third week.
Your third week also. Okay, how was the first day experience? I mean, are you scared or the teacher is little strict or what?
No, I enjoyed the class. We had all photo sessions here. I enjoyed the class very nice. It is very nice.
Okay, so of all possible courses that they are offering, why are you interested in floristry?
Because actually I have my own nursery, outdoor plant nursery. I supply outdoor plants to landscaping companies. So I thought maybe this is a branch I can open along with my outdoor landscaping plant supply. I can open this branch as a florist.
Okay, but how was the experience? Let's say studying here with your some of your classmates. What's the what it is the experience? I mean, with other classmates.
Yeah, it is wonderful.
It's mixed nationality, right?
Yeah, it's wonderful. And my teacher is also very good. He is very cooperative.
He's one of the best,
Yeah,
yeah.
he's one of the best. He's teaching nicely, cooperative, nice, good. Yeah.
Okay, so now you're on your third week, so it means that later on you will be graduating here. And now I'd like to ask if those who are watching right now and they are interested in flower arrangement, do you have any like inspirational message for them?
Yeah, this Emirates Education Center Floristry batch is very good. Branch is very good. They are very cooperative. Teaching is also very nice. And after you go back, you will get something to learn and you for successful future.
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah.